Wait, she just looked at you, right?
Is that what you're thinking when you're looking at me?
Why are adults never happy?
It's useless to remember.
When we say we don't want children, everyone assumes we don't like children. What a lack of imagination.
I could draw these two as if they were in love with each other. But it's pretty obvious that she'll never be in love with him.
Talk to her. Tell her it's love at first sight. 1, 2, 3.
It's crazy how memory is so vicious. It hides in the landscape and pops up without warning, without even asking if it's the right time. Clear your thoughts and remember.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes, our train will arrive at the station. Please remember not to forget anything.
Sure, I'll remember not to forget anything.